Hello to everyone, it's Fabien the Frenchy. Hope you are well. Today I will show you some of my last purchase. It's a lot of quite old vintage card bought to English seller. Let's go. I will show you what I get. The first card is Joe Dawkins. It's there is some card of the Giants team on the top, 1975. Let's go next. It's Bob Grimm, wide receiver. Dakota, running back. I love this card. I love the look. Even they haven't got the NFL license. There is not the logo of the team, but very happy to grab those cards. Walker Gillette for the Giants. All is it Giants for this moment. Bob Eland, center. Doug Van Hort, tackle. Nice. Just put the cam. Okay, maybe on this side. Not too bad. Ron Ortsby. Nice. Pete Gogolak, kicker. Don Herman. Nice. Pat Hughes. John Hicks. It's the guard, okay. It's the man, okay, in the center, not the quarterback. Jack Gregory, okay, nice. John Mendenhall, nice. Next, Bob Tucker. Spider Lockhart. Greg Morton, okay, I know this guy now. Okay, he was also a former quarterback for the Dallas Cowboys and for the Denver Broncos, because I succeed to get a new Perdec autograph on this autograph card of this player. Not a TTM return. Pete Atas, nice. Ron Johnson, very nice. Now it's some Bengals player, and there are some tops. 1978. Let's go. Ken Riley, Lemar Parrish, Pat McInally. That is card is quite fun because the position is punter and right receiver. In the past year, I don't know a player who play wide receiver and punter. Linebacker Reggie Williams. John McDaniel, Rufus Mace, Jim Leclerc, Pete Johnson, Bob Johnson, Vern Holland, Archie Griffin, Bo Harris, Lenville Elliott, Eddie Edwards, Isaac Curtis, Marvin Cobb, Bobby Clark, Tommy Casanova, Gary Burley, Billy Brooks, I will just, okay, Chris Barr, Coy Bacon, Ken Anderson. Okay, this player was, I think, a very good quarterback, and very happy to get this card because he was a very good quarterback. Next card is it's a leader. Okay, leader about the team. Nice. Now it's about two basketball cards, and it's Chicago Bulls, Chet Walker. I think that the Chicago Bulls was founded when they drafted Michael Jordan. Of course, it's a joke, but I didn't know a lot about the history of the Chicago Bulls before Michael Jordan, but very happy to grab this card. I don't know the year exactly, maybe in the 70s, but okay, I don't know the year. Another Chicago Bulls is Jerry Sloan. Very happy with this. Rest in peace, Mr. Jerry Sloan. It was also famous coach for the Utah Jazz. Nice. Next is another football card. It's about John Henry Johnson. Must to be Philadelphia 64, maybe, not sure at 100%, but it's around this year. John Henry Johnson for the Steelers. Nice. Next, it's a lot of O.J. Simpson card. A duel with Jim Otis. Nice, not too bad. Another card of O.J. Simpson with Chuck Foreman. Oh, this card is great because Chuck Foreman also was a very good running back. I think he was the first player drafted in the Minnesota Viking history of the Minnesota Viking. Very nice. Another card of O.J. Simpson. Very nice. And my last card for this player. Very happy with those purchases. Next, it's all about one same seller. Let's go. That it's done. Abramovich. Those cards, it must to be some tops 1970. Like the looking to Errol Linden, Joe Scarpati. All those players are from New Orleans Saints. Hoy Granger, even if he wear Oiler jersey. Hal Dodd, Dave Parks, Mike Morgan, Het Hargett, Jackie Burkett, and Tom Dempsey. I think this player was a very great kicker. He held for a long time the more long field goal in NFL history. He was 63 yards, and very until the past day, I think that he held yet the record. And when I watching a video about from Bear Card 34 Brian, I learned that it is not this player who all now the record. It just now the record is 64 by Prater. Prater. I don't remember the first name, but maybe Jason Prater, I think so. And just to come back for the channel for Bear Card 34 Brian, those videos are very great. He's very smart person, and I love all these videos, but particularly the show and tell video, because these videos are very relaxing and very entertaining, and we learn a lot about football. Every NFL and every football fan should to watch this video, show and tell, because we learn a lot of anecdote, information about the history of the game. Okay, next, move on. Now it's some baseball card. Just check quickly. Okay, it's some baseball card. It's Mets Bill Hodge. Oh, I love this looking of this card. He must to be the manager at this time. Okay, and that's my 5 last card. Matty Halou. This come from must to be some 1970 tops around this year, or must to be this year. Bill Freehan, Denis McLean, Ron Marichal. Very nice, very happy with this. And my last card, it's Jerry Kosman. I will show you an extra card and just keep Jerry Kosman, because in the past, we can say year or past, okay, I receiving a TTM return of this player, and this TTM was my better ever TTM return, especially about the looking. For me, it's not the more famous player who I know, but this TTM returns is crazy. I love the looking, I love the signature. Even if the card is really not in condition, maybe a kid right at the top or something and he put some paint mark on this. But anyway, very happy with this card, and thanks a lot, Mr. Jerry Kosman, to have send me back my TTM request. It was in the past year, about 2 years ago. Just opened my letter recently, but anyway, thank you for watching. I wish you the best and happy collecting. Bye bye.